Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to crochet a bucket hat, and materials to use, we're going to use butterfly yarn. It is chunky 4PL, and then it is a knitting yarn. You can also crochet. It's 100% acrylic. It is soft, fast colors, non-shrink. So let's get started. For the hook, we are going to use a 4.0mm hook. So to start with a magic ring, and this is how you make a magic ring. Now after making a magic ring, you will chain 2. This is chain 1 and 2. After making 2 chains, now start making double crochet inside that magic ring. Make 10 double crochets. So this is 1, 2. So I have 10 double crochets. What you are going to do here, take this end and tighten this. So at the top of this, make a slip stitch. Like this. So after making a slip stitch, you will chain 2. After chaining 2, go to this. Now start making increases. Go to this very first stitch, make a double crochet. Move to the next. Make 2 double crochets. So this is 1, this is 2. Then move to the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. Keep on making 2 double crochets in every stitch. Ensure that for round 2 you have 20 double crochets, because you are increasing in every stitch. Let's meet at the end. For round 2 we are going to make increases. Now after chaining 2, you will move to the next stitch here and then make 2 double crochet. So this is 1 and 2. Move to the next, make 2 double crochet. Keep on making 2 double crochets until this row ends. You will have a total number of 20 double crochets. Let's meet at the end. I'm at the end of round 2, and I'm going to end this with a slip stitch. You will also chain 2 and then move to the next stitch, make an increase, make 2 double crochet. To the next, make 1 double crochet. To the next, make 1 double crochet. Then next stitch, to the next, make an increase. Go to the next, make a double crochet. To the next, make an increase. So for this round 3, you are going to make an increase, then the next stitch you are doing a normal double crochet. Keep on working like this. Let's meet at the end. So I'm at the end of round 3. What I'm going to do, I'm going to end this with a slip stitch. Go to the next round. This is chain 1, chain 2. After making 2 chains, go to the next, make an increase. This is 1, 2. Move to the next row, make 1 double crochet. To the next stitch, also make a double crochet. Next stitch, make an increase. This is 1, this is 2. In the next 2 stitches, make single double crochet. So for this round, we are going to make 2 single double crochets, and then to the next you make an increase. Keep on working like this until you meet at the end of the round. Now I'm at the end of this round, round 4, and I'm going to round 5, which will be the last round. So for round 5, you are going to yarn over, make an increase in the next stitch. This is 1 and this is 2. For the next 3 stitches, do not make any increase. So you are going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Move to the next, make an increase. For the next 3 stitches, do not make any increase. Go to the next, make an increase. So this is how we are going to work on this round. We are going to make an increase, then for the next 3 stitches you don't increase. So keep on working around this row. Let's meet at the end. So I'm at the end of round 5, and this is how it looks like. Now for the next round, it is going to be a quite different. We are going to make double crochets, back loops only. So you will yarn over, move to this back loop of the very first stitch, make a double crochet, yarn over, move to the next, make a double crochet. So this is how we are going to work for the rest of this round. We are going to make double crochets, back loops only. Let's meet at the end. Now this is what I have after working back loop only. Now for the next round, we are going to make a normal double crochet. So for these rounds, for this part, we are going to make rounds, and I'm going to tell you how many rows I've made. So keep on working like this. Let's meet at the end. So I've worked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows without an increase or decrease. Now we are going at the last part. For the last part, you will chain 2. This is chain 1 and 2, and now you start making half double crochets, front loops. Now it is front loops only. Make double crochet. This is 1, 2. Continue making double crochets, front loops only until you finish this round. Keep on working like this. Let's meet at the end of the round. As you can see, it has started opening like this, that shape of the bucket hat. So work on front loops only. I'm at the end of this round. Now for the next round, you're going to increase in every 9th stitch. You're going to do a normal crochet, both loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in the 9th you are going to do an increase. You are going to do two double crochets in the same stitch like that, and then you do 8 double crochets on the 9th. Make an increase. This is what you're going to repeat for the rest of the work remaining. You're going to do this until you have the size that you want. So keep on working. Let's meet at the end of this work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. The next tutorial we're going to crochet a poncho. Bye bye until the next.